This video covers equipment penetration within Aveva E3d 2.1. In the training group of the Tools tab, click the Setup button. Open the Equipment tab, tick the D1201 Supports tick box and click the Apply button. Close the form. Add EQUI D1201 to the 3D view. With the SUBE D1201_SUPP_A, the CE, use the Aveva power wheel to navigate to the primitive. In the Defaults group of the Equipment tab, set the default to Obstruction Volume and Soft. Select Extrusion from the Primitives gallery in the Create group. Select the 4 vertices at the base of the support. Specify a 10 mm height using the context editor. Open the Graphics Settings tab and set the obstruction visibility to 50%. Double-click on the extrusion to activate the model editor. Use the editor spheres to create a 10 mm edge around the support. Name the extrusion D1201_A_PENI. Repeat the process on the second support. With the SUBE as the CE, click the Penetrate Profile button in the Tools group. Select the extrusion from the list and click Select as Penetration Profile. Click OK and repeat the process on the support B. Add /EL104880_TOS from stru equip_support to the 3D view. In the Penetrate group of the Equipment tab, click the Equipment button. Using the Create Penetration form, pick the penetrated and penetration elements for support_A. Click OK and repeat the process for support B. In the Penetrate group of the Equipment tab, click the Holes button. This displays the Hole Association Manager form. Make the FRMW the CE and click Apply Filter. Right-click on the first association and select Focus on Hole. Right-click again and select Validate. Multi-select both holes and click the Manage Selected Holes link label. Request the hole by clicking the Request Link label and then Yes on the Confirm form. Perform a Save Work and close the form. In order to approve the hole request, switch users to A Steelman. Reopen the Hole Association Manager form. Select the requested hole and click the Manage Selected Holes link label. To approve the hole, click the Approve link label and then Yes on the Confirm form. Close the form. The hole has been created and is displayed in the 3D view.